Alright, so I've decided to do a rebuild because I need one. It's been years since this motor has ever seen a rebuild. It's a more of a rare motor, but the newer styles are the Y-axis. This is a KRP build motor. Yeah, very high revving. So I don't know if the YX140 cylinder kit will work. I'm going to find that out today and see if I can't help some of you rebuild your engine. Alright, so when you're rebuilding your engine, you want to have a clean area and something white to put your clean parts on, because you don't want any of this stuff dirty at all. Any sand, any dirt will screw up an engine immediately. And I like to wear gloves, keep everything super clean. Alright, just gotta open up the tool set. Now, those look like 8s or 10s. A 10. I mean, you can use power tools to make this a lot faster. That's what I'm probably gonna end up doing. And now I'm gonna take off the exhaust too. Oh. Alright, got that off. Now you want to remove this. Now, if you have an oil-cooled motor, which most 140s are, you gotta remove the lines. There's that. Alright, so now we gotta loosen this little bolt there. And that will take off the timing cover. I'm going to take this off too, the carburetor manifold. There it is. That's the cap on the other side. I need to find my timing marks. How to find your timing marks is right here on the flywheel. We want T to be right there. And whoop, that arrow right there. And usually you'd mark that chain with a marker. But I don't think I'm gonna do that. This little bolt here. Alright, those are loose. And there goes moving. Knock that off of there. There we go. Well, this was supposed to be in there tight, but it was not. This goes right behind there. Cylinder. It's gonna make me do that. Yep. Okay. There's that beaut right there. Scored like heck. Just slides out. Just like that.
because most videos don't show the rings. Okay, you can see the rings in the order now. There are 5 rings, right? But only looks like 3 if this camera would work. Because the Euler ring has 2 on top and bottom. And you can see the spacing of that one and that one. There's another space there. That's what I'm going to go off on my piston, just to make sure it goes in correctly and good. Alright, so at least get most of it off. Brand new gasket kit. There we go. Then press and you're in. There we go. I put your timing chain through. You want to put that in there now. And not sure if I'm able to screw in that bolt actually. Now I'm going to tighten this. You don't want those real tight. Alright, so pretty much straightforward from here. Put that cover back on, put everything back together. I'll skip to that part. Alright, first start.
But I put a green graphis kit on it.